In front of me is Motorola Moto E14, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on one of those themes to apply a perfect one. Manage key borders and hit apply. To customize it though, go back to the same settings, but this time use this plus icon under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!